Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sai Charan and you're watching ENK Learning Hub. Let's start solving today's question. Display every patient's first name, order the list by length of each name and then by alphabetically. So let's start. So we can use select from an order by as they are asking to sort them, right? So from patient's table, we are selecting first name. See here, they are asking to display every first patient's first name, right? So and then first they are asking to order them based on length of the first name and then alphabetically they are saying. So alphabetically, that is from A to Z. So this is how we need to uh, order them. So let's check this query. Yes, we got correct answer. See here, you can see that A, B, C, D, E, F, G, like that it's going. So let's move on to next question. So show the total amount of male patients and total amount of female patients in patient's table. Display the two results in the same row. Display the two results in the same row. So that is, there should be two different columns. There should be two different columns. One is for count of males and one is for count of females. So let's start solving this question. So as there are no ordering, as there is no condition, we are not using any other classes except select and from. So from which table we are extracting? So from patients. So to create or to extract column, we are using everything in the select statement, right? So here I need count, right? I need count of males and then count of females. So for that, I am going with two different counts, okay? Two different counts as count of female. Now, here, before solving that, I would like to say that what I am doing here, I am giving based on a condition, I am modifying that. If it is male, I will be keeping it as a 0. If it is female, I am keeping it as a 1. Okay. If it is male, I will be keeping it as a 0. If it is female, I am keeping it as a 1. Okay. So to achieve this type of things, I will be using case statement. Case when gender is equals to male, then 0 and end. I will end this statement here. And then for second count case, when gender is equals to female, then 1, and I will end here. Okay. So this is the here I am creating one column for male, and here I am creating one another column for female. As there will be only we will be getting one single row. This will be these two columns will be getting, okay, in one single row will be our information will be there. Let's run it. Etc. Okay, fine. Here I missed out. Yes, we got correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more content.